Hi there. You okay down there? Well, that was sure unexpected, huh? Hi there, I'm Dr. Larry, noted radon expert. Our little pastor wasn't expecting to find me in his house. No one else is unexpected to find in your house. Dangerously high levels of gas called radon. Radon is a colorless, tasteless, odorless gas, which is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States and the leading cause among non-smokers.
There is no way that there's radon gas in this house. It's brand new.
Roar! Radon can be in any house!
Isn't there a way to prevent this?
Well, luckily, you can actually purchase a kit to test your own home for radon. In the event that there is unsafe levels of radon in your home, be sure to call a state-certified contractor.
Thanks, Dr. Larry. I'll be sure to call and order a test right after the police come and get you out of my house.
Larry out!